Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will display a number from 100 to 40 in descending order in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos by subscribing and leaving a comment, likes, and suggestion. I would like to shout out Sir Raymel, Tom, Sir Ernel, Ma'am Robilyn, and Marshmallow, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put the word shout out. So let's begin. This problem was sent to me by one of my subscribers in my channel. According to him, can I make a program in C++ to print 100 to 40 in descending order? So basically, what he's trying to say, is to print 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, and 40, descending by 10. Okay, so here is the solution. Okay, so we have here print of 100 underscore to 40. Yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada by MIT. And then my two websites where you can download free source code. The first one is www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. I'm currently accepting computer programming jobs, so for development you can reach me at my personal email address, jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in Asia, the Philippines. So I have here sharp include IO stream for input output in every C++ program, and then sharp include IO manip or input output in C++ because we will be using set with command, no? So in main, it is a function in every C++ program. Begin std out new line, and then the title is print 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, and 40 in C++. New line here, horizontal tab \t, and then using for loop statement, we have here for int a 100, a greater than or equals to 40, a minus 4 minus equals 10. It will display the result here. The set vw will be spacing for 3 spaces. So this command is belong to our library file sharp include IO manip, and then we close the for loop statement here. New line end of programs, which informs the user that the program has been indented, and then new line, and then we close the main function. Okay, so I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. Okay, let us compile and run. Okay, so the program is display a series of number 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, and 40, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now. But I will be back, no? Bye bye for now is for this video tutorial only, no? So one of the subscriber leave a comment that no need to say bye bye because we need more videos. No, just kidding. I will try my best, no, to as long that times permits me and I am still healthy, I will try to make video every day, no? If opportunities comes along with me. So just pray for me that I will stay healthy and more opportunities, no, to continue with my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support and love, no? So see you in the next video tutorial. This is your friend Jake, no? Bye bye.